Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to print your Google Sheet on just one page instead of having your data split across multiple pages. This is super quick, so let's get started. So first, open up the Google Sheet that you want to print, and for this example, I have a spreadsheet with a bunch of columns, so if I try to print it normally, Google Sheets may try to split my data across multiple pages. So we're going to go ahead and check this out by going to File, and then Print. And you can see here that there's like multiple columns that do go onto a second page. So on the right hand side, you want to go ahead and look for the scale section right here, and then you want to click on fit to page. So right now, everything that was carrying over, spilling over into a second sheet is now on one spreadsheet. And notice we're in landscape mode right here. You can also change to portrait mode. It just depends on whatever your need is here. And sometimes one is better than the other when you're trying to fit a lot of data onto one page. When everything looks good to how you want it, you want to go ahead and click next, and you will be good to go to print. If this tutorial did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.